Fury Nation. It's been about a week since my last vlog. Too long. Just can't keep up with it. The demand is too high. As for the new vacuum cleaner, it's in storage at the moment. The best place for it, as it's a bit of a demon, in all honesty. Yeah, I really need to keep up with these vlogs. Can't. Too hard. Don't know how these YouTubers do it full time, but I need to sort myself out. I promise I will try harder, a lot harder. That's it. Thanks to all my subscribers and everyone who's watching. Let's keep watching. Thank you.